people are also saying that you also have backers who have mining interests, like the Alcantara family.
That's a lie.
Sir, wala
Hindi
kayong...
ako tumatanggap. Noon nga, binigyan nga nila ako ng kotse, hindi ko tinanggap.
So, sir,
That I can really be proud of. I do not accept things. Hindi ako mahilig magtanggap-tanggap at anong bagay.
pero sir, yung Alcantara,
Alcantara is not it. Well, Alcantara has always been a family friend noon pa.
We will have another round.
Duterte talaga yan sila. No? Panahon pa ng tatay ko when my father was running for governor many years ago. Nandiyan yung mga old families kasi kami dyan nag-migrate.
Sir, so do you have the governor's support? Doon sa
Lyceum.
short meeting ninyo kanina, did you get his support?
Opo.
The governor po. Pati lahat pa ng mga opisyales dito sa Pangasinan, meron bang ganong klaseng pahiwati or parating?
Wala pa. I cannot, I said, talked about it because I do not have the authority to be talking about the political arrangement here.
sir,
Maybe in due time.
sir, whose private planes do you use? Whose private planes do you use?
I use the planes of Lion Air and you can check it out. Kaibigan ko, ang kinukubra lang niya sa akin is operational cost. Archie po has been my friend motoring days pa namin. Nagmumotor yan eh.
Archie po? Sino po?
Archie po, yung may-ari ng Lion Air.
Archie.
Karamihan yung mga nagmumotor ng big bike, mga Duterte yan. Because of the camaraderie sa...
Sir, he doesn't ask anything in return for the use of his plane.
Matagal ko ng kaibigan niya na long time ago. Nagmumotor pa kami. Umikot pa kami ng buong Pilipinas niyan. Nagmumotor lang kami.